Welcome to launching your affiliate marketing journey series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In the next 4 videos, we're going to talk about what to keep in mind when choosing a brand to work with at Travelpayouts. In this specific video, we're going to talk about how to choose a brand with keeping your audience in mind. When looking at different brands that you can work with on Travelpayouts, it can seem very overwhelming, especially when there are more than 100 brands to choose from. However, there are some things to keep in mind that will help you in choosing which brands will maximize your earnings. The first is your audience. Consider whether the brand has offers that your audience can really benefit from. The more an offer resonates with your audience, the more sales you will make. For instance, if your audience is mostly budget travelers, you shouldn't promote luxury hotel offers. Though the average booking value is high, you'll drive no sales. By contrast, promoting budget accommodations can boost your affiliate income because it's what your audience is interested in. Remember, it isn't just about the commission size. Let's say you're choosing between a priority pass offer with a solid 10% rate and a hotel offer that allows you to earn 3% per booking. You may feel tempted to promote the offer with a higher rate to earn more. However, if this doesn't resonate with your audience, you'll make 0 sales on it. By contrast, if your audience makes 50 hotel bookings and each of them brings you 3%, obviously you will earn more. This is why it is so important to really think about what brands make sense for your audience. More likely than not, it will be necessary to test and experiment with different offers. By testing different brands and their offers, you will see which ones call to your audience more than others. Let's do a quick recap. Think about which brands and offers your audience will benefit from the most. Don't worry too much about the commission rate. And don't forget to test and experiment different brands and offers to see which ones really call to your audience. In the next tutorial, we will explain how cookies work and why this is relevant when choosing a brand to work with. In the meantime, start thinking about what your audience would really benefit from when browsing the different brands on Travelpayouts.